This tutorial is based on the section part, and this is part 2 of part 6. So in previous we successfully list them out, and we were able to add them and validate the input field. And in this section, we are going to create the edit and remove. It's simple. So first of all, we need to edit two things in a fetch section table. First one is we are going to update the section name. Okay, it's done. I'm sorry, it has been done. So we need to update them in here, and here. So if we click on this, it's done. Yeah, it's beautiful. So let's work with the edit part. Just update the section, and let's model is here. Let's add from here to here. Yeah, it's perfect. So section name, edit section. Let's change this form to edit section form, and change this to section update, and let's change this ID to section here, and give this to edit teacher name. Yeah, I think I didn't update it, this one. I hope you have noticed and you have updated that. So it should be perfect. Now when the user clicks on this edit button, the data should be displayed here. So to that we'll use AJAX function. So to do that, we know we have created this edit section function in this controller function. Fetch section table function we have created on click event on this part. So it's easy. We just need to load the section ID, and we also need to when you update, yeah, we don't need to pass that class ID. So let's add function edit section. Let's give a section ID equal to null. So if section ID, okay, or we'll use AJAX to fetch a particular. So here we'll write fetch section by class section, and let's see if what are the response. Okay, public function section ID null. So section ID, and let's give the same name for consistent section ID. session in code section data. So we need to write this on module 2. So now for this we need to use public function finish section by section ID. Okay, let's just copy this too lazy to write, and let's give this a section ID where section ID equals to section ID, the section ID, if I'm right, yeah, section ID. Okay, so you should have we should return the row array. So if we click on this, we should have the value. Yeah, it's working. So okay, so let's go to this part and let's give section ID the value to response dot. Okay, section section name, and let's give this to teacher ID. So it should be John Doe edit the data not displaying. I don't know what happened. What is happening? I am confused. So here is section this console dot log dot response dot section name. It's undefined, or I don't know why. But data. Oh, data type should be JSON. I'm sorry. That should work. Yeah, okay. So it's selected when it's joined door. So okay. So now we'll try to submit. As usual, we just copy. I think from this time we'll do it from the class. This one. From here, but first of all, I think we need to create the update function so we can check if it's running perfectly. So here we'll write update section data. It should be update function update. Here should be function goes to section ID. If there is a section ID, we'll copy. I think I'll copy from here. Okay, till here from the create function, and okay, after that I'll change this to edit section, and this to edit teacher. Okay, that's fine. This is fine. This equals to update. We need section ID for that. Yeah, that's all for this. And for a model, we'll add another function named as update and we need to pass the section ID too. So if we check section ID, so we need to update data, we'll copy from here. I think we don't need to update this, we just need to update edit section name and edit teacher name. Yeah, after that the same t equals to where section ID equals to section ID, this db update section. We need to check if the operation was successful. If it's true, then we return true, otherwise we return false. So if this statement is true, then it will return this, otherwise it return false. Or else, okay, okay. So let's check if we return this empty, it should display an error message. It's not displaying you the error message because we didn't pass the section ID here. Okay. Either we can do like here we can add like section ID and we can output them in here, but I'm not going to do that. I think I'll do it from AJAX. I'll do it from AJAX. That it will be easier. Let's go to classes and add this in first for 79. So let's copy this and indent them beautifully. It's beautiful. So we don't need this. Okay, now let's go back to this bar and okay, let's select this form, not the create class form. After that we don't need to reset that too. Okay, I think I did a mistake. I think we can just copy from this other one because it's it will be easier for us. So let's copy this and yeah, okay, let's get this to edit section and let's get to the form with this. We don't need to reset the form. After that, this edit section is triggering this one, so we need to edit this. So we need to update this too. Okay, and we need, after the successful update, the data will be updated by this function and it will remove all the unwanted, and here we need to pass the section ID. So let's do it. Section A successfully added section D. Okay, I think we need this class ID to do that. I think I'll update in this fetch section table. I think I'll pass here another value, class ID, and here you can write class ID equals to null. And if we have the both, then only we can run. We can go through this code. Otherwise, this code will not be executed. So, okay. So I think now it should work. So if we A, yeah, okay. So A it's updated successfully. So I want this to be, oh, this is already be here, and we need to update this message. First of all, we update this message, updated. Then after that, when while clicking on that bar, we'll remove that message. Okay, so let's go back. Let's update this to C. Yeah, it's updated successfully, and you know that the success message should not be there, so it's done. So let's D C. Yeah, it's done. So I think edit part is done. There aren't any errors, so Nima Junior. Yeah, it's added successfully. Okay. Let's check this. Check. See. Okay, done. Update this to B, and another. Yeah, it's done successfully. So now let's remove section. So it's simple and easy. You know what we have to do? Just create a function at here. We'll just add a comment, remove section function, public function, remove section ID, as usual null. If section ID, then we use this model section will add function section ID. I'll just copy this. So there will be error, right? So false. Error while removing the information. JQuery code validator. So this function is created. Now we need to add a model public function, remove section ID. Now if section ID, then this db where section ID equals to section ID, this db. It should be delete section result equals to true. We don't need to check the data type. Okay, I think it's done. So we just need to update in this remove section in here. Okay, remove. We need to update this, and after that we need to create a function name. Remove section and section ID. Like you might be thinking, where did that came? You know, it came from here. Remove section. We have value, so we'll check if we have a section ID. Okay, we'll use AJAX to send the value. As usual, we'll copy. We'll copy from classes this remove function here. Okay, and paste it here. And for this button, select this one, and it will be section remove. Here should be section ID, and here we'll be using the message from this section table from here. So I think it's done. It will be displayed over here. So let's try to remove. Okay, yeah, we forgot to close this model. To do that, over this one we need to change the ID. Remove section model. Yeah, and we forgot to update the data to that. You know what we have to do? Just this here, and we also need the class ID. You know what we have to do here? We have to write class ID and class ID, and we need to pass it from here too. So I'll just copy this. Okay, let's remove from B. Yeah, it's removed. Okay, I think the message was not displayed successfully, right? So okay, it should be here. Okay, let's remove from here. Okay, I don't know what happened. Okay, remove section message. Oh, the table. Oh, so it was here, so it was reloaded, so that's why we had that the message always. So I'll keep it here, and it will work as expected. So successfully it should be removed. Sorry for the message. Successfully removed. So let's test again. B, it should be joined, or it doesn't matter. Let's add C. I'll leave MSC. Okay, it's successfully added. Let's update the information. Let's add junior. It's successfully updated. It's successfully updated. So let's try to add another in section 4. Let's remove this. Let's remove this too, and just add let us class 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, successfully. I don't know why we had successfully removed. Let's check again. Oh, this was from that previous one. Oh, sorry, it doesn't matter, because if we type 4, 5. Okay, so let's go to section. Okay, let's add it to A, B, C, yeah. So I think the section model is completed. So I think in next session I'll teach you how to add this subject part. So I'll teach you how you want to work with the subject part. After that we'll move to this student, then attendance, marks, and accounting. So that's all I've got for this for this session. So okay, have a good day.